Welcome to my video on two-way tables. This is an example of a two-way table. It's called a two-way table because it has two pieces of information. The boys and girls and the total running down the side here, and what year group with the total they are in running along the top here. Now, usually you will be given a two-way table to complete, and you need to fill in the missing numbers using the information you have already got. So we're going to start off by filling in some missing numbers. This two-way table is telling us that in total there are 85 students. 43 of them are girls, and the boys bit is blank. So in order to fill in the blank bit, we need to do 85 take away 43. And I'm just going to do that on my calculator. 85 take away 43 leaves me with 42. So I can fill in 42 into that blank area. Okay. I'm doing it in a different colour. I'm not so sure it comes up on this, but what I'll do is I will circle it to show where I've filled in a missing number. The next one I can fill in is if I look in the Year 9 column. There are 25 students in Year 9. 11 of them are boys. So on my calculator I do 25 take away 11, and that tells me that 14 of them must be girls. So that's another one I have filled in from missing information. I could fill in this one next as I work along here. There are 85 students in total, 25 in Year 9, 31 in Year 8. So if I do 85, take away 25, take away 31. 85, take away 25, take away 31 gives me 29 students in Year 7. I can then fill in this gap because I've got all of the information I need here. 43 take away 14, take away another 10, leaves 19 students here. When I look at the Year 7 column, there are 27 Year 7s in total. 29 Year 7s in total. 10 of them are girls, that means 19 of them must be boys. And I've got 31 in total, take away 19 in Year 8, that gives me 12 boys. That is the two-way table completed. We can get probabilities from a two-way table. So first of all, if I'm trying to work out the probability that a pupil is from Year 8, first of all we need to remember that probabilities are fractions, decimals or percentages, and also that they cannot be greater than 1. In this case, it's the number of Year 8s out of the total number. So in total there are 85 students, and the total number in Year 8 is 31. So that is the probability of selecting a Year 8 pupil from this group. I look at what would be the probability of selecting a boy. In total there are 42 boys out of 85 students, so this would be 42 out of 85. And finally, this time I'm limiting my selection not to the whole group, but just the Year 7s. So if a Year 7 pupil is selected, what is the probability it is a girl? This time, the total number of Year 7s is 29, so that's my denominator, and there are 10 girls, so the probability is 10 out of 29.